You came here to pick a fight and leave. Is that who you are?
I'm whoever you made me to be.
I did a good job raising you. I was noble and made us a fortune. And now that I see what an amazing man that you have become, all because I tried my best to be a good dad for you.
Are you joking or just drunk right now?
I don't do much of either these days. Is that how you act after my gift?
Running your company isn't a gift.
It is. I only trust you with this. Because I'm proud of you. Proud of the man that you have become.
Thanks. Yeah, I should go now.
No. Hear me. Actually, hear me.
Don't touch me.
I've never said it before. Ever. And I am sorry about that. But now I have a chance. A chance to tell you how proud I am of you. More than I'm capable of saying. You mean more to me than anything that I've ever created. I just need to hear you say that you forgive me. Just tell me that our past is water under the bridge. Just tell me it's okay.
It may be a lie. Do you still want to hear it?
Please. And tell me the best that you can.